I will be showing you how to use the Liveuamap app on your mobile device. Now I'm using an Apple iPhone, but you could still use this on your Android. Go to the Apple Store, the App Store or Google Play, and search for Live UA Map. There it is. Click it, and this is what it looks like, the L and the M logo. Here you would click download, but I'm just going to open. And it opens up to the most recent news feed of the region you looked at. And in my case, it's Syria. So as you see, it goes through the news feed. It goes in chronological order from the most recent event to past events, and it shows images and everything. Now let's say we want to explore this event even further. The Damascus fire. Explore these images and the actual source. With your finger, just tap the location, the picture, the part. See where my finger is here? I'm just going to tap it, and I'm taken to this different screen. On the screen, it gives me a more detailed image of the event. And in particular, what I really enjoy is there's a link to the source. You could open up the source itself and explore the Twitter page, the social media page, or the news page where this current event news was taken from. Here it's a video. You could play the video on your own. Now to get back, on my iPhone, I just double tap my home button, get out of the internet, and tap my live map again. I'm going to X out and show you how to get to the map if I want to see the map itself. Just hit the place mark button, and you're on this map. All the images, colors, shapes, I explained that in a previous video, but you just click that to get to the top map. And then here are the keys where you could access all your keys here. All right? You can see the colors and everything you need. And here is the navigation bar where you see the date. You could select the language and the region. Really the most important thing is the region here. Click region and you're back to where you could select specific regions to study. Very good. If you have any questions, please send me an email or go to the Ask a Question.